Alright, we're out here in Knoxville. Did some repairs on this roof. Added this brand new ridge vent and shingles on there all the way across. We repaired soft spots right here, right here. There's another one right here. One more right here. And another one that was right here. We also replaced pipe boot here. Looks good. Another pipe boot right there. We repaired all the holes that were left from the tarps. Replaced all the shingles that were missing right here. Another brand new pipe boot. Here's the brand new gutters that were installed also.